Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 37. I'm going to quickly talk to you about what we're doing this week. First and foremost, this is the last week of classes. So if you owe me any work from any other week this marking period, you may want to focus on getting that turned in first. Yes, you have the next week to get that stuff done and turned in, but the likelihood that you're going to remember to do that is not high. So focus on getting that done and then work on this week's assignment, which is work log week 4. Pretty much you should be used to it at this point. You know the drill. You're going to continue to work through the areas required for the 9th grade academy. You will see a few new areas for you to work on this week. Make sure you provide a screenshot for each area for documentation in your portfolio. This week's a little different. We're not going to finish this project, so because of that, when you submit this week, I want you to submit what you have completed for your portfolio as well as the Revit file for me to grade. Include all screenshots in your table of contents as well as any other important information that you think will be beneficial for me to look at. Here are the areas: cafeteria, student locker, music room, and then I want you to label all areas with room tags so I know which rooms are what. No blank areas. So that is what you're working on this week. Obviously, if you have questions, please feel free to ask me. Otherwise, I'll let you guys get started, and I'll see you later. Bye, everybody.